Welcome to my presentation. This is Mohammad Imran Hossain from Strategic Management class, and this presentation is about Levi Strauss and Company's case studies. The first question is: do you believe that company's three channel strategy from mass to class is feasible? Why or why not? Yes, I believe that Levi Strauss and Company's three strategy from mass to class is effective because by this strategy, company can identify customers' demand and they can easily make product based on their choice, demand, and buying capacity. On the basis of customers' data, company will set a price and they will install new products whatever in market 3 or 2, and if profit from one market is low, then they can evaluate new strategy for another market to reach highest profit. The casual wear industry is moving fast. LS and Company's new casual brand is Levi Strauss signature. To make maximum revenue, their three-tier strategy would be effective because it helps a lot to create a road for customers, those who loves high fashion casual to entry market, which is high-end fashion retailers. The second question is, are there any major obstacles to implementing this strategy that were not discussed in this case? Uh, this answer is about the question is their strategy was this three strategies were discussed in this case. These are discount stores basis customers, mid-range departmental and specialty stores, high-end fashion retailers. There might be some major obstacles to implementing of obstacles are implementing this strategy. The first one is gap in market research, advertising strategy, product design. The third question in this case is what alternative channel strategies might LS and companies have pursued instead of the three-tier strategy that still might have enabled the company to renew its growth strategy? Answer is as super brand they could play only high quality and classy fashion products selling by targeting elite customers, and by the name of another they can manage other customers to fulfill the rest of the demands. So above alternative channel strategies might LS and company have pursued instead of the three tier strategy that still might have enabled the company to renew its growth strategy. The last question is Alice and companies doing a same practice in your home market and why? Yes, Alice and companies doing a same practice in my home market. According to our buying culture, their strategies are effective in our home market. Alice and companies, their channel strategy from mass to class is effective because by this strategy company can identify customers demand and they can easily make product based on their choice, demand, and buying capacity. On the basis of customers data, company will set a price when they will install new products. And thank you.